Welcome to CargoMax. In this tutorial, we will look at the Slide Cargo tool. Here is our initial survey with our constant at 365 tons. We have completed our interim survey and have 53,168 tons on board. In this example, we are loading to our maximum cargo criteria of 55,000 tons. We can see our shore scale here, with a belt error of 0.44% less on board. Now let's do our trimming calculations. We have selected hatches 5 and 1 for trimming and our target cargo total of 55,000 tons. We can see that we need 898 tons in number 1 and 934 tons in number 5 to achieve a slight trim. But what if the space in these two holds is not in the middle? We need to position the cargo using the Slide Cargo tool. Let's drag the trim cargo in hatch 1 to 7 meters forward of center, and the trim cargo in hatch 5 to 9 meters aft of center. We can see the tonnages change due to the shift in LCG. The outcome of cargo and trim will of course remain the same. What if the cargo in hatch 5 is only forward, and hatch 1 only aft? The slider makes it easy. Always visually check the space in your cargo holds and then move the cargo around to see the tonnage split change. When you close this tool, the calculations shown revert to the hatch centers as per the LCG table. This is a great tool to ensure you reach your cargo and trim no matter where the space is for your trimming pores. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please check out other tutorials on our website. Bye for now.